Yasas and Carlos Tirtate, which means hello and welcome to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I have a delicious and refreshing chilled yogurt and cucumber soup for you today. It's perfect for the summertime. It's getting really hot over here, and sometimes you just want to make something really quick, serve it as an appetizer or maybe as a snack or even a lunch during the day. And this is perfect for that because it comes together in no time, and it's just a few ingredients, everything's in season, and everything is refreshing and delicious and perfect for these hot days. Let's get started. So we start off with the cucumbers, of course, and I'm making a small batch, and all you really need is one cucumber, but I'm gonna use two. I'm not gonna use a whole second one. The second one is really gonna be for the garnish. I love to use English cucumbers because they don't have seeds, or the seeds are so small that you don't have to take them out. If you're using a regular cucumber, you're gonna wanna not only peel it, but then cut it in half and scoop out the seeds and just discard them. So we're gonna begin by peeling it. So I'm just gonna cut this into a few pieces, and I'm gonna pop it into a blender until I get all the rest of the ingredients ready. And I'm gonna save this one for later on. I'm just gonna chop it up. Then I have some scallions. Now, scallions are gonna add a really nice mild onion flavor and not too strong. So 2 are more than enough. And I'm just gonna roughly chop them. And I'm only gonna use the bright green parts. I'm gonna save the end for soup or for salad because it's really intensely onion flavored, and I don't want too much onion in this. I want this to be really nice and light, but you can put that in if you like the flavor. Then I'm also gonna put a little bit of lemon juice in here. Now I'm using lemon juice. You can use apple cider vinegar too, or red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, whatever you have on hand. Then we're gonna need lots of flavor from 1 garlic clove, but I don't have any garlic cloves because I pureed them all and I kept them in my freezer because I was afraid they were gonna go bad. So I'm just gonna use about, this looks like it would be 1 garlic clove. It's about 1/4 teaspoon, maybe a little bit more than that. I did a video on how to preserve garlic, and I'll put that up here so you can check that out. That way you never waste any food. Then I'm gonna add some dill. I have dry dill here, so I'll just put about a flat teaspoon in here. If you have fresh dill, you could put like 2 tablespoons full. The dried is much more concentrated. Then I'm gonna add some fresh mint. This is from my backyard. About 2 tablespoons is what you need. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Mint, yogurt, and cucumber were like meant to be. And the final ingredient is some Greek yogurt. I'm gonna put about 1 cup of Greek yogurt. That looks like about 1 cup. Then I'm just gonna blend this in the mixer. Now I have this high-powered mixer, which makes life so easy. If you need to get one, I'll put a link down below where you can find it on Amazon. And now I'm just gonna season it with some salt and pepper. And now it's time to give it a taste. So good. At this point, you wanna pop it in your refrigerator for at least 2-3 hours because this is a chilled soup, so you want it to get really nice and cold. And then after that, it is ready to serve. While it's chilling, I'm just gonna finally chop the cucumber, and then we're gonna put it all together. Once the cucumber and yogurt soup is nice and chilled, you're gonna go ahead and serve it. Now you could serve it into little bowls, or you can put it in little glasses like I did over here. It just elevates it and just makes it really nice and fancy. We don't get fancy often around here. I like to keep things really simple, but this is a way to keep things simple and be fancy at the same time, which to me, in my world, is a win-win any day. So I just poured it into little drinking glasses, about 3/4 of the way up. You could do halfway. And then I took some of the diced cucumber and just sprinkled it on top with a little sprig of mint in each one. That's all you need. If you want to, you can also thinly slice some scallions and sprinkle those on top too, so people know what's in it. It looks so pretty and so just summery and nice. It is time to take a bite. It's my favorite part of doing these videos. So nice. So refreshing. It almost tastes like if tzatziki could be a soup, this is what it would be. So you know me, I can eat tzatziki by the spoonful. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this. It's refreshing, it's light, perfect for the summertime. The recipe is in the description box down below, as well as on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Check it out and let me know what you think. If you want to learn how to make tzatziki or 3 delicious dips for the summertime, then you should click over here, and I will see you right over there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.